Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Zoom account to your HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Zoom account to your HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, doing one-on-ones or coaching call, you know that if you connect your Zoom to your HoneyBook, you can automatically set up Zoom meetings when there's a meeting created. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your Zoom account, here on the top bar, you want to go ahead and click on Tools. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and you want to click on Integrations. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the Zoom logo and you want to click on Connect. Once you do that, Zoom's going to open up a login browser. So go ahead and sign into your Zoom account. Okay, next Zoom's going to warn you that you're about to connect your HoneyBook to Zoom, and all this information is going to be shared. If you're okay with that, click on this Allow This App button right here. And then you want to click on the blue Allow button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes back to my HoneyBook. And as you can see right here, my Zoom is now connected. It shows my email that's connected to my Zoom. So now when I set up a meeting in HoneyBook, I can automatically add in my Zoom meeting link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Zoom account to your HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.